How do we thank people? It's very easy. Express your feelings. Pay back by doing good things to them. Saying a good word. The hadith, the Prophet says, alayhi salatu wasalam, whoever does you a favor, repay him as much as you can. And if you cannot repay him, then make dua for them until you feel this suffices. Make dua. How easy is that? Very easy. And the Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, whoever does you a favor and you say to him, Jazakallahu khayran, then he has exceeded in thanking and appreciating him. The word is very little, huh? Jazakallahu khayran. What does it mean? May Allah reward you with goodness. This is dua. So you give me a favor, you do me a favor, you help me change the tire. Thank you. This is not bringing satisfaction. But when you say, may Allah reward you, Allahu Akbar, then I will expect my compensation to come from Allah. If you compensate me, peanuts. But when Allah compensates me and rewards me, this is beyond my imagination. And this is why it is an old habit of mine that whenever someone does something to me, I make dua for them. And I say it without intending it. So it's a habit that whenever someone does something to me, I thank them by giving dua. And I intend the dua, but I don't pay attention to it. But it has an overwhelming impact on them. And when I consider what I say, that's nice. I would love people to say this to me. I say, Rahimallahu walidayk wa ghafarallahu lak. May Allah have mercy on your parents and forgive you. For anything. And the people take a step back and say, Jazakallah khair, may Allah reward you for these beautiful words. I don't pay attention to saying it and having this impact. But believe me, a word has a strong impact on people. So showing your appreciation, especially to the nearest and closest people to you, has a profound impact.